Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the daily time frame. Just for those of you who are not so familiar with this larger time frame chart, we're still tracking this support zone between $13.28 and $19.40 for a potential upside reaction from where we might be able to start a third wave to the upside. Gotta say though, this third wave up, while it might start from here, it hasn't really given me much of a signal. So I cannot rule out another low. This support zone that we're tracking here, this potential 1-2 setup we've been tracking from the swing low end of June, where a triangle might have bottomed. I indicated all these swing lows in our bull market support zone with a green circle, by the way. This 1-2 setup, I mean, support is at 13.30, basically, right? A decisive break should be avoided. Yeah, we could get a brief break below it. It wouldn't be a major problem. The invalidation point is at around $11. So that's the invalidation. We have a 1-2 set up to the upside, but not convinced yet that the third wave has started. Basically, that's what it's about. We need to see some more upside momentum here, a break above the first trend line, which, by the way, is currently coming in around $21, $22. Then the focus can shift to the upper yellow line that's coming in around $27 for a possible breakout signal. We need to see some more upside momentum here, clearly. So what can I say? It's a bit weak, what we see right now. I shared with you over the last few days, again and again, the micro resistance area. I don't really have very clean microstructures here. Hold on, not SUI Link. I don't have very clear microstructures here on the Link chart, I have to say. But I can tell you that this is certainly not a 5-wave move up yet, okay? Okay, you might say visually, yeah, maybe, but it's super speculative. And so I'm not convinced yet that the low is in. For me, that's maybe a diagonal pattern in development. I mean, there are two levels in the very short term that I'm tracking. The very first one is at $16.75 in terms of resistance, right? We haven't broken above it. So there is no absolute low confirmation, right? This is weak momentum, really, really weak. And we have not broken yet above our first signal line at $17.70. I mean, at the very least, I'd like to see the price break above this swing high there from Monday last week. To the downside, one more low could send us to $13.30. I mentioned that, yeah. And overall, these are only the first two signals. We don't even see any of those triggered. And then the trend line currently coming in around $21. Then the next one around $27. So yeah, we need to see a little bit more evidence that a low is in. For now, weakness. I don't really see a reliable setup here or anything. But honestly, that's what we see on most charts, very similar structures. So either they might all break out or they might all fail together. This is not yet convincing, I can tell you that. So another low wouldn't be surprising. If I see a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback, I will of course let you know, but this should give you the parameters to watch for. Not convinced. We could even add another trend line, like from these swing highs here. Look, we've now hit another trend line. So the market, there are many trend lines that currently keep the price down. Once we start to break above them, that could be, those could be important signals, right? But at the moment, look, we even got rejected from this trend line. So as long as those are trend filters, the local trend remains down for now. I keep you updated about any changes. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.